Hi, my name's John Cosker. We're down here at Lake Monroe near Sanford, Florida today doing a little testing. This is the lake that we do all of our initial testing in. All the boats go into the lake here before delivery. We do our deliveries over in New Smyrna Beach in the saltwater, but today we're doing some propeller testing in this brand new boat. We just launched it today. This will be going down to Cape Coral and then spend its summers up on the west coast of Michigan. We ran a set this morning and we just changed them out. We're double checking our heights on bullets and tow and everything like that on the boat. So double checking it. No settings have changed at all on it, and went up a little bit more in pitch for some more speed. We took some speed reading, not only speed readings, but we also did some fuel mileage readings at different speeds throughout the range, and then we'll compare them to the larger pitch props and see how that works. The big thing that, with the outboards, you're always watching water pressure. So we're adjusting heights. This actually has Bob's jack plates on it. We're not using it as much anymore, but this owner actually wanted the Bob. So we can hydraulically adjust them while we're on the fly. We don't have to manually adjust them once we come back to the ramp here. So we're watching water pressure temps, both straight line and in corners. Make sure we have good water pressure in the corners, both hard corners, a hard bank corner, as well as maybe a slow, long looping corner where you might gradually lose pressure. So really just double check a lot on water pressures and make sure our temperatures stay in range. So this is the latest paint on DHD. Doug did a great job on this boat, worked very closely with the customer. It's funny because we actually built this customer's brother boat also. So the brother's boat is blue. This one has a lot of red in it. Very vibrant graphics on the side, some colors we haven't used before. And then the inside is like a beautiful cream color on it. So it's got both kind of the racy thing going on the outside and then much more classy, real rich look on the inside. So it's the end of the day here. We're back on the trailer. All three boats are back on the trailer, heading back to the factory. Really good day of testing. Kind of battled the wind for most of the day. It's been really windy here this spring, but we got 42 in the water. I think it's final sea trial on that. It's up for sale now. Got another cat dialed in a little bit more and launched a brand new cat that will be heading to Cape Coral next week. So overall, great day. We learn every time we come out. We got a lot of great data and had a beautiful day on the water.